Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a gaming console to your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So generally, in order to do this, you're gonna need an HDMI cable, two-sided HDMI cable, like this one, and of course your gaming console. In my case, it's gonna be PS5. So basically, what you have to do first is connect your PS5 to the power source. As you can see here at the bottom of the back side of the PS5, we have the port where the power cable is connected to, and connect your this side of the cable into your PS5 and the other one into your power outlet. After that, you have to insert one side of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the back side of your PS5, and once you do that, insert the other side of the HDMI cable into your TV. The ports for HDMI cables are located on the left side of your TV, on the back side of your TV, on the behind the left edge. So just insert it into one of the three available HDMI cables. They are listed from 1 to 3, from the bottom to the top. So if you connect to the bottom one, it's gonna be HDMI 1 for input, and the top one will be the HDMI 3. So after that, let's just turn on the TV and of course turn on the gaming console, and make sure that the HDMI cable is firmly connected on both sides. And at this point, the TV will suggest that we should switch to HDMI 1. We can also remember this choice by leaving this checkbox checked and then click allow. But I'm gonna click cancel, so just to show you how to do this in the usual way. So either hold down the home button on your remote control, and it will make the sidebar appear. On the sidebar, select inputs and then select the input that you want to connect to. So in my case it's HDMI 1, but you can of course select any other here. And the other one is to go to the inputs menu on the home screen, and the HDMI input that is being used is slightly highlighted, so it's light gray color. Just click on it and you will switch to your gaming console. And so at this point, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.